Lux Babes and Fur Babies. So we are going to do an unboxing. You all, we got 4 unboxings coming. Y'all love my roses. These are Forever Roses. Okay. And this is my Chick Babes mug. Okay. They will be for sale on my Shopify site. Okay. So this is the unboxing one of them. I think this is what I got from TikTok Shop. Have y'all purchased anything off TikTok Shop? I just had to. Yes, this is it. This is it, y'all. Okay, I thought this was so cute. Okay, this is a magnetic phone grip. Okay, y'all, I have so many phone gadgets. I can't get enough of them. Okay, so now this took a good week and a half to get to me. So we have 3 more packages coming in today from Temu. I will be unboxing one at a time. So you all be prepared to, okay, so this is the charging cord. I am so, let's make sure they, okay, y'all, good. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, these are the, okay, magnetic grips, manual. Okay. And here's the magnetic grips in here. Let's see how many we got, y'all. Okay, like we got one, and it gives you also a wipe. Okay, so you can wipe your phone. Okay, we're gonna put that back on. So I am so excited. Yes, so I got a lot. The best gifts are the gifts I purchase. I buy myself gifts all the time. And next week, y'all, we're gonna be getting us a grill. So we're gonna be grilling. So y'all get ready for the summer. We're gonna have a hot girl summer. Okay, y'all. So here it is. Okay. This is the earpiece. Okay, earpiece. I'm not gonna open it. Okay. And this hangs on. This is the, you know, the little wrist thingy. Okay. And we're gonna put all of this together. Okay, and here's the grip. It almost looks like a camera. It has this, you know, I like this. This is so cool. So you can find so many nice things. Okay, and here's the MagSafe right there, y'all. There's the MagSafe. And this is by, it says JJC. JJC. Okay. Okay. Oh, y'all heard that magnet? Y'all heard that magnet? Okay, so this is how you go use this. And this was only like $7. $7. You all, look, listen, do not sleep on these great prices because, listen, everything comes from China, okay? So don't think that because you're not paying a fortune for something that it doesn't have good quality. Look, oh my gosh, this is excellent. Look, y'all, it's hurry and take it off. Okay, yes. So that grip is everything, okay? So I have the phone here, okay? And by me having this grip is just like you have a regular camera, okay? Y'all see that? Okay. This is the grip, and then my camera is gonna sit right here, so it'll be like this. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, so thank y'all for tuning into my video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And follow me on TikTok at Zion Israel Locks. On IG, I have several channels. My personal one, well, Yeah, JA.CQUELYN4. And then our Chick Babes, our business IG is chick underscore and underscore, no, chick underscore babes underscore and underscore fur baby. Okay. And then on Pinterest, we are JA.CQUELYN. 4. No, I'm sorry. Pinterest, we are Jacqueline Dorinda. Chick, see, I have so many darn accounts. Oh my God. On Threads, I am JA.CQUELYN4. So how many social media platforms is that, y'all? It is so many I have to keep up with. So that's at least 4 right there. Okay, IG, TikTok, Pinterest, and Thread. And I have 2 on IG. So that'd be 5. Plus YouTube. And so I'm going to be doing this unboxing. Okay, so y'all get ready. We got 3 more unboxing coming. I am so excited. We got Temu packages coming in today. I just got the notification that they are out for delivery. Bye, babes.